Apurva and Tulika, you know what happened in July 11? IndyMac, it is called the largest mortgage lender in US. It was seized by federal regular. You know that federal regulation.
Yeah, man, I give you one more news.
What?
JP Morgan agreed to purchase the banking asset of Washington Mutual Bank, especially quoted by Wall Street Journal.
My God. Again there is no. During the weekend of September 14, the Lehman Brothers, they declared themselves as bankers. What is happening here? I don't know what is happening there.
One more addition.
What happened actually?
The year closing date as of 17 September has seen 18 public corporations filing for bankruptcy. Again by Wall Street Journal.
So what does this actually mean? Tulika, what?
Hey, all these are the headlines of 2008. The first time in 21st century has seen such a financial turmoil.
Okay.
Which has led to economic recession. We are now in phase of recession. Started in summer of 2008. The global financial crisis really started to show its effects after the summer of 2008. And around the world, the stock market has fallen and the largest of the largest financial institutions have collapsed very badly.
So can you please tell me what is recession actually? I don't know the exact. Everybody is telling about recession here, recession that, recession not good. But I don't know. Yeah, we don't know what is actually recession means actually.
Hello friends.
Hi Megha, actually we are actually confused about this recession because everywhere we must see, everywhere everything it is recession. Economic downfall, global economic downfall. Could you tell us what exactly does it mean?
Yes, indeed. See, whenever the economic activities of a country, of a company or a country is falling down, all the economic activities, income is not there, there is huge lot of unemployment, you're not getting proper salaries, production is being low.
Yeah.
So all these things which are not working in a healthy way and growth is not possible, then that is what recession is actually. And actually the phase of recession, it is from, about 6 months to 2 years. And it's over limited, okay? If it's more, you lead to depression and then the entire economy finishes. It's something which has a very huge impact on the economy. Okay? Yes. Sandeep was so much worried about recession. I know what recession is, but how can you calculate, how can you calculate what's the downfall? Actually, there are various reasons for this recession. One of this recession is due to rippling effect of global fallout of the financial crisis in US. Rippling effect? Yeah, what is rippling effect is that if one thing has happened, it is going to affect all other sectors. This recession is due to financial crisis in United States and the bursting of the housing bubble. But how it has affected all other areas. The banks have provided loans to the subprime. What the subprime mortgage loans are that you are getting loan on real estate at the second time. When you are getting loan, you have to prove the income. But banks were with lot of money and people were there for loans. Banks didn't inquire for how people can repay and they just give the loan to the people. But when the time comes from the recovery, the assets were valued more than that they were and banks were unable to recover the money. Common person was not able to repay the money and bank was unable to get its money. This led to the bankruptcy of banks and bankruptcy of common man. But see, just have a look, this NBER, what is this? New Bureau, right? NBER. NBER is National Bureau of Economic Research. It is an organization in the United States and it studies the economic of US. And it is an authorized body which declares the state of economy that the US is going through. And in 2008, NBR has declared that US economy is going in the phase of recession. And the biggest question is that how subprime loans and subprime mortgage meltdown led to such a big financial crisis. What happened that banks were very much nervous because of such fall down of the mortgage loans. Because of the security, they were not able to recover the money. They started stopping giving loans to the people. They suck out money from the market, right? And if there is no money, how you are going to carry the business? The companies started facing problem in running the business. Companies also fell down. Common person was also bankrupt in the state. So there was no demand. Further the production also decreased. Decreasing production led to the layoff. Layoff led to the unemployment. Unemployment again led to the decreased economic activity. Thus it affected the whole economy. And what is this? Is the rippling effect. with fall down of financial sector, was ripple to the production sector, was ripple in the social society, and the livelihood of common persons, and how in this way the whole global economic shattered down in 2008.
And the effect is still seen in 2010
Yes,
as well.
the effect is still seen. The economy is in the recovery mode, but the losses were really
Really
very
surprising
big.
to see a high economy like US falling down, right?
If you don't go in corrective mode and just invest without thinking, then this thing is going to happen. So,
Hey Tulika, if US economy is falling down, then why is it affecting India so much? No, India is also being affected so much.
yeah, but I really don't know what the exact reason is. We can ask Sandeep and Apu to.
Yeah.
They are silent history.
Yeah, just call them.
Oh, sure.
See, Apur, you know what happened around the world? Around the world, recession affected. You know, these are some of the facts that have been released. Like from Bloomberg, it is said that 33% of the value of world's company has been wiped out. I don't know. And then see that 63,000 jobs around the world has been lost for 3 years, and US has a record for 5 years. They lost 159 million jobs. They lost. And fuel cost, it rises to very high extent, oil first. And then the interest rate was strategic, it was reduced drastically by all central banks of all countries. To 1%, up to 1% it was reduced. And most of the government, including Ireland, Russia and China, their growth was reduced to 7.5%. Imagine, 7.5%, and everywhere there was losing of jobs actually. But actually I am not bothered about this thing, I am least bothered, but I want to know what actually happened in my country, India. Could you please tell me about that? Could you tell me about that fact, how recession affected India?
Yes, Apurva, I actually also wanted to know how India is affected by
Yeah.
how much it is
Actually,
affected by recession.
I said by March 2009, Indian growth will have slowly recovered 7.7 around percentage, but IT industry is still pressed down, and outsourcing sector hits still in the bottom. Now, inventory industries like garments, gems, textiles, and these areas, they cut their production by 10 to 50% now. So you can imagine the situation now. And Indian banks are facing a tough time of quality and liquidity also because of Lehman Brothers.
Yeah.
And invested a great amount of money in the Indian banks, and as they bankrupted, so it was a big shot on the industry.
Yeah,
itself.
yeah, yeah.
And in real estate, the builders actually, because of the downfall, real estate builders actually dropped their prices so as to bring the buyers to the market.
Okay.
These consequences and these situations actually happened in India because of the recession.
So could you please tell me how to overcome recession? How to
Overcome was like dealing with recession that Indian government did. Actually, most economic regions are now facing recession, have faced recession, or are in a situation. So this includes the US, Eurozones, and many others. So at such times, government tends to stimulate the economy,
Yeah.
and standard macroeconomic policies, including the policies to increase borrowing or investment or FDI or whatever. So borrowing at the time of recession seems risky. But the idea that this should be complemented with paying back during time of growth, governments can guide government and progress as well. So this can be sort of recession.
So we as future managers should be hopeful that recession will be overcome.
Yeah, I mean reducing interest rates, reducing interest rate is an attempt to encourage the people to take part in the economy, or you can say reducing the taxes. I mean down
Government
to
spending.
more hardship for more people.
Yeah, government can spend more.
Can spend, or spending on public works such as infrastructure. So public infrastructure works which can potentially employ many
And
people.
also I firmly believe that the Reserve Bank in India, the central bank, should play an important role.
They have rules like, I mean, they have
Yeah, they will
regulations,
reduce-
CRR.
Yeah.
They have regulations, they try, but the recession it's a cycle. It has to happen,
Yeah,
it happens.
happens.
But there are macroeconomic policies, government implement that, and still we have a hope that we will recover
Yeah.
and we will get a
And India has really recovered a lot from world economy
Because of
because
the
we
market.
are such a big market in ourselves.
Yeah.
And there is really demand in India, so we are not so much hit by recession.
Yeah. And why? Because of the main problem is that, main advantage that we have is that our banks are nationalized.
And
Yes.
Which by Indira Gandhi. It is actually the major step taken by Indira Gandhi that time by foreseeing that sometime India would face recession. So what happened is that when bank was nationalized, the entire low regarding bank was fixed. Like they can only on this thing. They have to submit on mortgage, like they have to submit the documents regarding the loan, they have to submit their property. So what happens is that Indian banks are not at all affected. This is mainly because our banks are
So I think
national.
India is the domestic market and banks
Yeah.
for the infrastructure, use the regulation.
Yeah.
These are the good platforms.
So global, I think global economic downfall, you don't have to worry. Like as Megha said to me, what is the relation? So we explained. So I think that we don't need to have worry that much because it is a business cycle. It will happen.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And the main advantage, main thing is that we should overcome that.
Yes, we
Yeah.
have to overcome, and since Sandeep said our banks are nationalized, so there is no problem of money, and we will recover, and in my view, we have recovered.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.